Okay.
The first, what you need to do, the rafting starts from here to till all the way down, till our beach. It's approximately 10 kilometers from here. And we have a rapid, more than 7 rapids.
Okay.
And the first rapid, investment is a small rapid. And then we have a black money.
Okay.
It's a little bit bigger than first rapid. And after that is a 3 blind mice.
Three?
3 blind mice.
3 blind mice.
Yeah, 3 blind mice.
3 अंधे चूहे.
Yes. There is a 3 rapid together, one after next.
Okay.
And then we have a crossfire,
Okay.
little Annie, and the last one is a body surfing rapid. The body surfing rapid.
Body surfing rapid.
There is no rock you can jump. If you want to swim on the rapid, we allow you to jump.
Okay.
Done? And before the rapid, we have a safety breathing, and then we have a practice. So before the rapid, how to sit, how to hold the paddles. Okay. If you're not proper sit, you will fall definitely. Okay. The first, this is mandatory. This is a life jacket PFD. The life jacket should be tied by this. You know how to tie it. Easy है. Zip up. We don't have zip. We have
हमारा
a
जीप
buckle.
नहीं है.
And you know how to try it. We'll check you. So always we start from bottom, pull towards front. One. And the second, pull hard. This is the easy technique. And then the shoulder steps is a pull together towards down. Now your bucket will start. It doesn't open this way. Okay? It is tight. Okay. And then this is a NRS raft. ये NRS का full form होता है, is not really shaped. ये NRS लिखा हुआ. It's not really shaped. Okay, the NRS is Northwest River Supply. It's the name of the company. And this is a
company.
is a different 9-year chamber. 2 is front, 2 is back, 4 is cross-tube, one is a bottom. Last one. We have a total is 9-year chamber. In case any chamber goes puncture, okay, and then we have all the chamber for enough safety. Okay. The first, this is the paddles. It's divided into the 3 parts. G, shaft and the plate. And before the paddles, you have to lock your feet nicely. We have a right and left side. Okay? And we are sitting right. You have to remember which side are you sitting. I am sitting right. This is the left. The right person lock your right foot first. The raft has foot lock. The another foot only for support behind the cross tube. If you lock both feet, it doesn't fall. Okay?
अच्छा, we have to sit here.
Yes. If you not lock, you will be out. You have to lock your feet nicely. And the second chamber, the second person, lock your feet on the cross tube. The another feet only person. And then you have a command, the forward, back pedal and the stop command.
Forward,
Yeah,
back
yeah.
paddle and
Stop command.
Stop.
And then we have to concentrate before the rapid, any commands comes up, you're ready to follow. The first, you know how to hold the paddles, hold the T grip, the thumb goes on the T and the forefinger on the thumb. Whichever hand you, right or left, try to hold over blade. Okay? And then we have a command, and I say forward. The foot is almost at both hands. You have to lean or pull back. The full blade goes into the water and pull back, all the way back. When you paddle, you have to lean or pull back. This is a paddle rafts. Okay, everybody has to do paddles.
Lean and you pull back.
Okay, no engine board, no brake. Okay, depend your paddle. If you follow the paddle, it will 99%. You need a power on the rapids. And the fourth, are you understood? You have to lean or pull. Okay. Okay. This is forward. Don't bend your elbow straight. You have to lean or pull back. You have to together paddle. If you're not together, your boat is goes like this. So teda meda jayega. Okay? You have to together. So follow the captain. The 2 of you is sitting leading front, and the rest of team follow the lead. And then back pedal. take your paddle behind or push front. Okay. Lean back or push front. And the other technique is put your paddle on the hip, lie back and push front. Lie back and push front. Use your hip. Okay. And then get down. The get down is the most important. Before the fall out, when I say get down, okay, rapid is only for 5 seconds. Okay, you need to fast. The get down means immediately hold the rope over the paddles and get in the. This is the get down. Okay, don't hold behind. If you holding behind, okay,
आगे से
the paddle is hit to other person. Okay, so always hold the paddles, hold the rope over the paddles.
yes.
This is the rope which is going around the boat. When I say get back to your foot. Done?
And you never remove the foot.
No.
The foot that is
Yes.
inside.
Foot will be remain where
Where it
You have to put in your position. And then other commands, you know how to turn the raft. The raft is goes straight. Whatever. Because sometimes what happens, your boat is goes like a sideways. Okay? That time you know how to turn. And we need to turn quickly, any side. The right or left. When I say right back, the right means you are sitting right, only right. And the left person ready to forward.
Left
Yeah.
person?
When I say right back, you have a right and left side. When I say right back, you are sitting right, only right back.
Okay.
And the left person क्या करेंगे? Ready to forward.
Ready to?
Forward.
You need to forward.
Okay.
So it's
Your boat turns towards right.
राइट साइड में
Okay, if you want to turn left, only left. And the right person ready.
When you say right back, the left people do not have to do anything.
no, the left side will look at forward.
Acha, forward one. Okay.
Are you understood? The right means you are sitting right, only right back. And the left, ready to forward. You need to opposite way.
Okay.
And then the next, okay, in case if you fall out on the rapid, that time what to do? We have some rules. The first, immediately hold on to the raft. The raft is the biggest raft, is it? And don't panic. Okay, we have only for 2-3 seconds inside the water. And the second, you know how to position if you far away from the boat. And he will come, the kayak will come for rescue. The kayak is faster than raft.
या
They will come immediately. Okay? And then you know how to position on the rapids. The feet first downstream, hold the jacket, lie back and look at this. Okay? This is a position. If you far away from the boat. And third, don't try to stand up on the rapid. Rapid is
Rapid
don't
में
try to
खड़े
stand
नहीं
up
रहना।
on the rapid. The rapid is shallow. Rapid is not enough deep, only for 6-7 feet deep. Don't try to stand up. And then also paddles, you need to hold the paddle also. You don't need the paddles. If you're holding the paddle, what happens? You have extra buoyancy.
Extra?
You have extra buoyancy.
एक्स्ट्रा बैलेंस ये तो इट विल बी आल्सो फ्लोटिंग ना आप ये हेल्प फ्लोटिंग में हेल्प करेगा
And then the last, all of you keep smiling, don't panic. Okay, you will fall. And then you know how to rescue somebody fall, and you have to keep an eye each other and ready to action, ready to help. Okay, the two of you on the raft, one is a safety kayak. Okay, you have to keep an eye each other. And then you know how to pull. We have a technique, and we'll show you demo the technique. And after that, and you can, if you close to the boat, you pass the T-green. So always pass the T-green. You can easily rescue. Okay, it's a kiss. Okay, don't give the blade. इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. Done?
या
Okay, the next, if you far away, it's not enough paddle for rescue. Okay? इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं. And the raft has rescue bag. We are
कल
going
आपने
to-
फेंका था.
We are going to throw. If you far away from the boat, 10 meters away from the boat, and then you know how to hold the bag, and you have to keep looking back. Okay, उस समय जोर से चिल्लाएंगे swimmer, hold the rope. You ready to hold? Okay, you know how to hold. When I throw, we are going to point to person. Okay, rope Okay, you have to be careful. If you're holding the bag, what happens? You will away 20 meter away from the boat. The rope is keep coming out. Okay, leave the bag and also the paddles and turn around, lie back, and then we are going to push. This is the best technique.
सीधे नहीं आना.
सीधे नहीं आना. अगर सीधे आएंगे क्या आएंगे? What happen?
Water.
The water is crossing continue. Okay, you have to turn around, and then we are going to push. Done. Okay, next. You know the campsite is a part of the adventure. You need to know, okay, this is our duty to explain. If nothing happens, 99% is safe. So 1% we are dealing on the nature. And in case anything goes wrong, you need to know. Okay, the first, if you capsize, it's a flip. And then we have some techniques. You know how to position on the rapid, you know how to position. In case if you flip, the first immediately hold on to the raft. Rule number 1, and don't panic. And the second, if you under the boat, you can easy to breathe. You have to open your eye, don't close your eye inside. You have a self-wheeling raft. And then you know how to come out. You can kick and you can push. Try to come outside.